The Chinese company Shenzhen Fan Rui Art Development has created an ultra-realistic female robot named Qian, indistinguishable from a human. The robot is crafted from premium silicone, providing a natural skin texture and durability. Qian stands 158 centimeters tall and weighs 33 kilograms. Equipped with a metallic articulated skeleton, the robot moves fluidly. Its realism is further enhanced by detailed facial and body features, implanted eyebrows and eyelashes, and precise skin rendering. The company also offers optional features, such as a sound module that allows the robot to engage in conversations on various topics. The price of the robot varies depending on its configuration and additional options, with an average cost of around $2,800. American engineers have also decided to keep pace with their Chinese counterparts by developing universal, ultra-realistic humanoids designed to replace both men and women. Currently, specialists are in the initial phase of the project. Experts suggest that such devices could allow men to forego relationships with women and vice versa in terms of communication. Scientists noted that thanks to prior research, the development of such robots will not require an extensive amount of time. US experts added that female robots will be equipped with artificial intelligence, enabling them to fully replicate the roles of women. The price for such female robots in the US is expected to reach $10,000. However, the creators emphasize that the high cost is entirely justified. The Chinese continue to amaze. DS Doll Robotics has unveiled a female humanoid robot that is almost indistinguishable from a real person. Although this model does not yet have an official name, it has already attracted significant attention due to its incredibly realistic design and advanced capabilities. The robot is built on DS Doll's expertise in manufacturing high-quality silicone mannequins, with its facial features and movements carefully designed to achieve maximum human likeness. At this stage, the robot is equipped with an interactive head that can move, nod, blink, and respond to voice commands. Integrated AI systems enable it to hold conversations, search for information online, and even control smart home devices like lighting and climate systems. While the robot currently lacks the ability to move independently, the company is actively working on enhancing its functionality. The Chinese company Zelex, specializing in creating ultra-realistic robotic women designed to replace real ones, has unveiled its latest innovation. The 170 centimeters tall Zelex robot is a lifelike robotic doll indistinguishable from an actual woman. Depending on the configuration, the robot weighs approximately 35 to 40 kilograms. Its primary material is high-quality medical-grade silicone, providing a realistic skin texture, softness, and durability. The skeleton is constructed from a robust steel frame with articulated joints, enabling the robot to replicate a full range of human movements. The robot's head is a meticulously designed model with detailed facial features, implanted eyebrows and eyelashes, natural makeup, and customizable eye and hair colors. These elements contribute to the robot's high level of realism. Additional customization options include skin tone, nail color, breast size, and a choice between built-in or detachable genitalia. The price of the Zelex robot ranges from $2,500 to $3,200, depending on the selected features and supplier. Ida is the world's first ultra-realistic humanoid robot artist. She made her debut at the Unsecured Futures exhibition at Oxford University in 2019. Since then, Ida has been a frequent guest at various events, with her artwork showcased in some of the world's most prestigious galleries. The robot was created by British art specialist Aidan Mellor, in collaboration with the UK-based company Engineered Arts. Ida is equipped with artificial intelligence, enabling her not only to draw, but also to generate her own ideas for art. She uses cameras embedded in her eyes to capture images, which are then transformed into paintings by her robotic arm. Creating a single piece takes approximately 45 minutes, thanks to her bionic arm's wide range of motion. Recently, one of her works, a portrait of Alan Turing, was sold at a Sotheby's auction for an impressive $1 million. Irontech Doll is a Chinese company founded in 2017, headquartered in Zhongshan, Guangdong Province. It specializes in the production of high-quality, realistic robot dolls made from thermoplastic elastomer and silicone. The company offers a wide range of models featuring various body types, appearances, and customization options. A standout feature of Irontech doll is its full control over the production process. The company operates 5 of its own factories, ensuring high product quality and competitive pricing. The product lineup includes a variety of robots utilizing a proprietary cyberskin material, designed to closely replicate the texture of human skin. Additionally, the company manufactures silicone robots known for their exceptional detail and artistic craftsmanship, catering to a diverse customer base. Irontech doll is committed to innovation. Among its achievements are robotic movement capabilities, gel implants, solid silicone arms, and automated functions, reflecting the company's dedication to advancing the industry. At the recent Gitex exhibition, a realistic humanoid robot named Jam took center stage. Crafted using silicone to achieve a highly lifelike appearance, Jam became one of the event's standout attractions. The robot captured visitors' attention with its ability to interact with people and entertain audiences. It showcased smooth movements, natural facial expressions, and an impressive human-like appearance. During the exhibition, Jam performed entertainment roles, including conversing with guests and participating in presentations. Its presence highlighted the growing role of humanoid robots in technology-focused events and their potential in the entertainment and service industries. A realistic humanoid robot named Junko Chihira recently took on the role of receptionist and information assistant. Developed by Toshiba, this robot is designed to assist visitors in tourist centers and shopping areas. Junko Chihira can provide information in 3 languages: Japanese, English, and Chinese. Junko is the second model in Toshiba's line of humanoid robots, created using advanced speech synthesis and mechanical animation technologies. Physically, Junko resembles a young woman, standing 165 centimeters tall and appearing 26 years old. The robot is equipped with pre-programmed speech responses, enabling it to perform simple tasks like providing information about local events. Toshiba has plans to enhance its functionality in the future by integrating speech recognition technologies, allowing Junko to respond to questions in real time. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.